Hey folks, today we're going to install the new high-density 48-port Keystone patch panel. In the packaging you're going to find your mounting hardware, which is 4 1/4-20 screws and a star washer. With your star washer ready to be installed, I'm going to start with my first screw. Now remember that star washer is a bonding washer. That is the intent. Another great feature of this panel is the tools management bar. There's a simple hook latch mechanism. Drop my bar into place and lock it into place. Folks, out of the box you have a label field already attached. This is a 6mm label field if you choose to print your own labels. Also in the box you have a pre-labeled label strips 1 through 48 if you choose to use them. Because of the nature of the Keystone latching mechanism, you're going to want to terminate your top row first and then move to your bottom row. To remove, simply engage your clip and rotate down. Hey folks, you can imagine if you had a really high density situation where you had 48-port patch panels, 1, 2, 3, or 4 in a row, it'd be very difficult to get those Keystone jacks off the back side. So a really cool built-in feature of this panel is when you remove these label fields, you can have front access. And let me show you that. When you remove these, there's a top label field and a bottom field. Make note of that, and it is on the back side. You have these little slots where you can actually remove your Keystones from the front. And again, we're going to remove the bottom one first, like so, and then the top one. For additional information, please reach out to the product specialist team.